All right, we're going to do an experiment. So we need a bottle. We need baking soda. We need vinegar. And so far we're putting some baking soda in this balloon. Oh, you need a balloon and a funnel. So we're getting baking soda inside this balloon. You got to get it halfway full. All right, let's see if that's halfway. Yep, halfway full. All right, you hold that balloon. Now the next thing you do is you use the funnel to pour vinegar into the bottle. It says like, here, let's see if we can take the paper off the bottle real quick so we can see inside the bottle.
He's blue.
We got to get some scissors to take the paper off.
First we're gonna
Hey.
What?
Better be nice on our video.
Yeah, mommy.
There, fart sounds by Topanga.
Ew, it's on the blue.
It's a little experiment without some weird sounds, huh? Okay, I guess I should have taken the paper off before we started because this is taking a while.
That is fun.
Okay, there we go. So I'm glad we got that
Don't we
off
have
so
to
you
wash
can see.
that?
Nah, because we're gonna, well, maybe we better wash the baking powder out of there. Or baking soda out. Let's rinse it out.
Before it's
That
flows.
was a good idea you had there, girl.
Yes.
All right.
Ew.
All right, you gonna hold this for me? Hold that funnel so we don't spill. Okay, we're gonna fill it a third of the way full. Let's see. Let that go out. Keep going. We're not sure how big of a mess this is gonna make, but we're gonna find out. Guess what? That's all the vinegar we have today. So that looks like about a third. So hopefully that'll work. All right, now it says cover the top of the bottle with the bottom of the balloon. Okay, we don't want this to fall over. Can you get it?
Yes.
Okay, don't do it yet. Let's make sure we got it on there tight. And then Topanga is going to stand the balloon up straight so the vinegar, or so the baking soda falls down into the vinegar. Let's get everything out of the way because we don't know what's going to happen. All right, you ready? Stand it up and let that fall down in there. Let's see what's going to happen. Whoa, look out! Look out! Oh, part of it came off. It's blowing our balloon up. Oh, our balloon blew up and now it's going down. Because, you know what? Whoop! And it popped. That's the end. It didn't blow up very good and it got all over because we didn't have it on very tight. But you can try that and make it a little bit tighter. All right, that was our experiment with Topanga. Thanks for watching.